Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn off Google Drive Sync. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Google Drive application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Google Drive. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom, as you can see, we have the home screen, start, shared, and the files option. And in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, recent, offline, spam bin, and settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and turn off Google Drive Sync. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open the Google Drive app on your phone actually, and tap on three dots in the top right corner. So when you click on those dots, then go click on tap on settings. So basically the settings are here, as you can see, and just need to click on tap sync. So basically it will be on backup, and here you'll go and find your sync. Uncheck the boxes next to files or folders you want to go and sync. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys helps us really with our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. And guys, until then, of course, as always, bye guys.